Hi, my name's Tim Burnett-Green. I'm a service consultant at Georgian Chevrolet. So when you bring your vehicle to Georgian, we know that your vehicles are very important to you. The biggest thing that we try to do is communicate with our customers. What is going to be happening with your vehicle while it's here. Contact them as much as possible and know what is happening with their vehicle so they can plan their day accordingly. Sometimes if things happen, we understand that. We just try to make the whole service process as smooth as possible for the customer. We're here to look after the customer's vehicle. We're not going to tell a vehicle needs something if it doesn't need it. We're here to make sure your car is maintained properly. We do understand that some cars do need maintenance to prolong the life of it, and that's what we're here for. Well, we do have a waiting area inside the dealership, which offers a quite comfortable lounge, free Wi-Fi, coffee machine, TV. We do offer the shuttle service. If the vehicle will be here for quite a while, then we can offer a rental vehicle. That's an option as well. We know these people do work out of the city, so there's an option that we do use quite a bit as well. We have factory trained technicians. Basically, this is all we do. We work on GM vehicles. Again, customer vehicles are very important to them. They need a good, reliable vehicle, whether it be for commuting, getting their families around to and from appointments, sporting events, whatever. We have the latest technology to get your vehicles up and running properly as quickly as possible. Offer genuine GM parts that are built specifically for your vehicle. I think the future is very bright for Georgian Chevrolet. We have a continuing growing base of customers from throughout Simcoe County who come to us because they appreciate the service and like the service that we do provide. So I think the future is very bright for Georgian. As a father of 3 kids and having a wife that I truly cherish, I want to make sure my vehicle is safe. And I believe taking my vehicle to Georgian is my best option.